Hey friends, now today let us start the topic trigonometry. In the word trigonometry, tri means three, gon means side, or it is also angle, okay? Metry means measurement, it is three angle measurement. Okay, let us dive into the topic, okay? You all must have known what is a right angle triangle, right? In a right angle triangle, we know that one angle is 90 degrees. If we name this triangle to be ABC and we consider this angle to be theta, okay? Now, if I ask you to find a relation between sides using this angle, how can you do that? Okay, let's consider this situation to make it more clear. You are standing in front of a big tree, okay? First, let's consider a tree. Here, there is an apple or any kind of fruit. If you want to know the height of this height in which this fruit is located, how can you measure the height without using any scale or anything? For this kind of purposes, they introduced the topic called trigonometry in maths. It played a very important role in the fields of engineering and in many other technological fields, okay? Now I request you to learn some t ratios. There are 6 t ratios. There are 6 t means trigonometry ratios which you have to be thorough with so that you can perfect this lesson trigonometry. They are sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant and cotangent. Oh, you don't need to get afraid of these things. After few lessons, you can play with these t ratios, okay? First, let us consider these 3 main t ratios, okay? Sine, cos, and tan. If we consider this angle to be theta, right? If we wanted to know the length of this side, this is the side adjacent to the angle. Even we could consider this side to be adjacent, but it has the name hypotenuse, right? So we should consider this adjacent. We use the t ratio cos theta equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, if we want to know the length of this side which is opposite to the angle theta, we should consider sine theta. Sine theta equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, let us imagine that they didn't give this hypotenuse and they asked to find relation between these two sides. For that purposes, they introduced the t ratio tan theta equals to opposite side by adjacent side. You have to learn these three t ratios so that we can go through the lesson, and we can we can go further into the lesson. I remembered a simple trick. Okay, I'll show you the trick to remember these things. Okay. uh, you should remember as this thing. It is called as ka to so in s means sine theta, c means cos theta, t means tan theta. Apparently o means opposite side, a means adjacent side, and h means hypotenuse. This is not any kind of word, or it doesn't have any meaning in dictionary. Okay. It is a simple trick to remember these t ratios. Okay, if we could manage to learn this three t ratios, we know that we have learned other t ratios. I'll show you how. If you consider cosec theta, it is nothing but 1 by sine theta, which implies hypotenuse by opposite side. You're clear with my point? Yeah, I hope you're clear. Okay. If we consider sec theta, you have to write theta here or else you'll lose marks. If you consider sec theta, it is nothing but 1 by cos theta, which is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Similarly, cot theta means 1 by tan theta. It is obviously adjacent by opposite. Okay, what have we learnt in this session? In this session, we learned that trigonometry means in trigonometry word tri means it is nothing but 3. Gon means side or angle. Geometry means it is nothing but measurement. Okay. In trigonometry is the study based on this right angle triangle. Okay. If in a right angle triangle, we know that there exists a right angle which is nothing but 90 degrees. If we consider an angle to be theta uh, in a right angle triangle, then we can write 6 t ratios. They can be also termed as relations in that right angle triangle. The first relation is sine theta. In sine theta, I told you a relation here, SOHCAHTOA. If you remember this, the first relation, it is sine theta equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. The second relation, cos theta equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. And the third relation, tan theta equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. If we are thorough with these three relations, we can obviously write the other three relations. They are cosec theta equals to 1 by sine theta, sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta, cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Okay guys, hope you are clear with this part of the lesson. If you are thorough, we'll continue the lesson. Okay, cheers.